The construction industry is fascinating. It touches all aspects of our lives, from the buildings that we live and work in, to the roads that we travel, to the energy infrastructure that we rely on. However, the industry also faces certain challenges, like declining productivity and the lack of skilled labor, all contributing to a 4 million home deficit in the US. We believe that 3D printing has the potential to overcome these industry challenges by paving the way for an automated future and engaging the next generation of builders. We 3D printed Europe's first house in 2017, and since then, our customers have completed hundreds of homes with cobot systems. Now, we're excited to launch BOD3, our third generation 3D construction printer and our most advanced system yet. Utilizing a crew down to just 3 people, BOD3 does everything that cobot systems are known for, from small to large buildings, data centers, tanks, coastal barriers, and more. The movable track system allows for continuous printing without having to reinstall a printer, optimizing efficiency. And lastly, the system is fully open source for materials, allowing for cheaper and greener construction. I believe that with the BOD3, the most exciting days of construction are ahead.